Front to up, 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 up. Patrick, get closer to the boat. Get the net out of the water.
Sam. Got a blanket. Cluster. I was gonna make that guess. I saw it hit your rod. What is up, Lake Pro Tackle fam? We are out here on Lake Palestine for the THSBA State Championship. Y'all, we've already got one in the boat. Kind of got on the water a little late, but it's all right, you know. Patrick already put our...
No.
Patrick already put our first keeper in the boat just a few minutes ago. And I don't think y'all met Patrick. So yeah, new face to the Lake Pro Tackle fam. This is Patrick. He's my Metroplex THSBA partner, and we're gonna get on him today. Had a really tough practice yesterday with only one keeper bite, but turning that around already today. Patrick's got one in the boat, and we'll put a few more in here shortly. But gonna be a fun day on the water. Good weather, high skies, so might be some slower bites today, but we'll figure something out, and y'all stay tuned.
Like you can drag that retaining wall, like throw a spur bill on it. Yeah. Well, sunrise doesn't last forever, so make something count.
Big one.
There you go, Patrick.
That's
Whoa.
whoa. Hey, nice fish.
Yeah.
Give me this, you just take care of me. Crankbait in my leg.
Get him up. Yo, you can flip him. You got him.
Keep.
What in hell was that?
There goes one fish.
I don't think so.
Oh, it started running. What was that?
That's big.
No, it's not. It's tiny. It's tiny. Every single. Patrick, you can throw a wacky root too if you want. Okay.
What are you gonna do? A drop shot? Let me throw wacky?
Oh yeah, you can do the well,
What do you think?
do the drop shot. Yeah. This is what Zane was talking about. Little spot. Three more fish. Yeah, you probably hit those stairs. Up. You probably did. Oh, it might keep back there now. Got him. Look at this. Ooh, look at it.
No, that was a giant.
Snapping up.
Sam, that was a giant.
Just pull into him.
That wasn't.
No, I mean just like
I went-
pull into it. You don't have to set it.
Which one is it on?
It's like really small.
Which one is it on, man?
that small?
Okay,
Oh. Right.
Oh, for that? For that?
Yo, take the minute.
No fucking way that just happened. No way. That small of a fish ripped the fucking rod out of my hand. Come here, black. Don't let him spit that worm.
Get up. Funny video. Another hilarious video to put in.
Flip it. Is that gonna keep?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
No way!
Dude, what is this video gonna be?
Ashley, take one. Flip it. Just sit down and flip it. Yeah, baby.
Yo, hold on, it's right outside of this dock.
Yeah.
Spin it.
Alrighty, y'all. Not feeling the best of the best. I am overheated, but grinded it out. Had some insanely funny stuff happen today. Hope y'all enjoyed that, but ended up with 3 keepers. Nothing crazy, but really hope y'all enjoyed watching those hilarious clips, especially Patrick falling in the water. That was absolutely hilarious. But we'll see y'all at weigh-in. You better win one line.
Where's your 5?
Our 5 are, they're somewhere. It was a 3-fish tournament.
Boat number 87 is going to be up next, bringing in 3 fish today. From Flower Mound, Bennett and John. 626. Good job.
What is up, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Out here, day 2 at Lake Palestine. Y'all, we had a tough day yesterday. Sorry we couldn't get a lot of clips. You know, I was feeling a little under the weather. Still am, but we're going to power through it today for sure. It's looking like it's going to be another hot one outside. But, y'all, yesterday we were really keyed in on those Texas rigs, drop shots, shaky head, basically any dragging bait. But hopefully this morning we can get back on that same pattern, but find some more active fish that'll be ready to eat at topwater. So that'll be pretty cool. But appreciate y'all hanging out with us, and we're gonna try and do our best today. Got a lot of ground to make up, sitting in the middle of the pack, so got a lot of ground to make up today. Let's go catch a bag.
Let me see. You might. Up, Patrick, up. Well, Bennett just caught a fish. Patrick turned the camera off earlier, so we got 1 fish. It's like a 2 1/4 pounder. Bennett, that's like 12 o'clock.
I caught it like right where it is.
Sounds like you're glazing me. don't expect Patrick to catch fish, so. Fish. Patrick, you didn't set the hook very well. Up, 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 up. Flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. Bennett, what the hell? Oh my God, it's fine. Holy Chris said he didn't catch it. He's gonna catch a fucking thing.
Alright boys, we're about to win the big tournament.
Fish, 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 good one. Good one.
Up, Patrick, up, please.
Oh yeah, keeper, you back there. You back there.
Patrick, stay there.
Got him. Yeah, dude.
That's a keeper, should be. Lake Pro Tackle fam, that is a wrap for my last THSBA tournament at Lake Palestine. Y'all, really tough day again, super hot, high skies. We had some cloud cover, but pretty high skies throughout the morning, and GoPro wasn't recording, I think, my fish. It may have gotten Patrick's 2 fish, but landed on a quick bite window on the dam and caught 3 back to back, which was really cool. But you know, all in all, awesome season with THSBA. Can't thank them enough for the tournaments that they put on, all that kind of stuff. But appreciate y'all following along my Texas high school bass journey. Now we've got 2 more tournaments left. They'll both be with Gavin, and one will be Bass Nation State on Lake Cedar Creek, and then hopefully that last one will be the national championship on Lake Chickamauga. So appreciate y'all following along my my Texas high school journey. But yeah, peace out, Lake Pro Tackle fam.